In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline images in GIMP. We're going to walk through a simple, reliable method to add a clean outline around any object or subject in your image. This is really useful for thumbnails, stickers, cutouts, or just making an element pop from the background. First, open GIMP and load the image you want to work with. If the image opens with a background you want to remove or ignore, that's completely fine for now. What matters is that the subject you want to outline is either on its own layer or can be selected clearly. Next, create a selection around the object you want outlined. You can use tools like the Fuzzy Select, the Free Select, or the Paths tool, depending on how complex your shape is and how precise you need to be. Take your time with this part. A clean selection is the foundation of a clean outline. If you already have a transparent background around your subject, you can also use Select by Color to quickly grab the visible pixels. Once your subject is fully selected, make sure you're happy with the edges. You can go to the Select menu and use Feather or Grow to slightly soften or expand the selection if needed. A tiny bit of feathering can prevent harsh, jagged edges in your outline. Now, we're going to turn this selection into an outline. With your selection still active, go to the Select menu and choose Border. This will convert your filled selection into a ring-shaped selection around the edges. Choose the border size in pixels. The higher the number, the thicker your outline will be. For most images, a value somewhere between 3 and 15 pixels works well, but it depends on your canvas size and how bold you want the outline to look. After you've set the border size, click OK. You'll now see a marching ant selection tracing the outside and inside of your future outline. At this point, create a new layer and place it just below your subject layer. This keeps the outline separate and makes it easy to edit later. With the new layer selected, pick a color from the color picker. White and black are classic choices, but you can use any color that complements your design. Finally, fill the border selection with that color using the Bucket Fill tool. Deselect everything, and you'll see your subject with a clean, colored outline around it. If it's too thick or too thin, just undo and repeat the border step with a different value until it looks right. You can also lower the opacity or add a slight blur to soften the outline. And that's how to outline images in GIMP in a clear, controllable way.